Yo, y'all already know, man. It's Man Child 80. Niggas is smacked. Y'all already know, man. I'm gonna spit that shit. Listen, yo. You the type of nigga to get drunk off bud. Hop in the tub. That nigga is crazy.
Niggas is wild smack.
Listen, yo. Yeah, it's crazy. Look, you the type of nigga to get drunk off bud. Hop in the tub just to get drunk off suds. But me, I'm a type of nigga to get respect from thugs. Get in there for cheap cause my connect show love. Show love. Hold up, I'm out to roll up. The piff is in the Dutch. The G is serious. I got your bitch on my nuts. It's Man Child. Yeah, it's your boy Corey. Your bitch gave me the Woody like she in Toy Story. Niggas wreck that Lehmanville. The block is hot like a steaming grill. Cats think they hot but they dreaming still. I'm on my cold hard floor like how a demon feel. I'm like the Buffalo's coach the way I keep them bills. I'm a badass from Park back to Mad Ass. With your bitches like I'm from Iraq the way I bag that. And niggas is jokes the way I clown gear. Niggas need bub, my dogs got some pounds here. Yeah. And your body could be found here, so watch your fucking mouth when your ass come around here. I'm in the streets daily and to be realistic, I rob and steal more than the Grinch during Christmas. You must be on the track team the way you running your mouth. But when it's beef, you get low and duck in your house. It's real out here, nigga. I put the gun in your spouse, tell that bitch do her thing. One quick nut in her mouth. Yeah, I nut in her mouth. Then I fuck that bounce. Better watch where you sit. I got come on couch.
On that couch, brother.
Disrespectful niggas, what I am and what I preach. Play with me, you be a lost boy like Mr. Cheeks, capiche? Fuck that niggas talking about, man. Man trying to fucking build and holler at me, nigga. Niggas is crazy, niggas is high. Spitting that shit, y'all already know, man. Holler at me, dogs. Nigga Man Child, y'all already know. My nigga Tweet Jones, we in here. My nigga Pac-Man, y'all already know. Turn the camera, nigga.
That's me.
Y'all already know, dogs. Nigga trying to shrimp and chips and shit, you feel me?
Yeah, niggas wild high. Shit. Niggas still do it big when we high and shit, right?
Right, man. Niggas got holler at me, dogs.
How I do, man?
We here, I'm playing with it. My man spit that shit real quick. Niggas heard what it is. I don't do that rapping shit, man.
Catch bodies and shit, right?
Niggas is chilling, dogs. Dogs. Yo, what's good with you, my nigga? Good, Pac-Man. It's really good, dogs.
I don't know, man. Yo, niggas saw robbing birds the other week. Yeah, I robbed birds. I slotted birds right there. Like, you see these hallways right here, my nigga?
Where they at? Where they at?
These hallways? These have stories, man. They're just sucking dick and shit, my nigga.
Hell yeah. Niggas already know.
I'm Haiti and shit, you know. That's first and foremost shit. I rep that to the death.
I feel you.
17th floor, you know.
17th floor, niggas already know.
17th floor, I'm taking upstairs.
Niggas already know.
I'm taking upstairs, nigga. Shit, like, took bitches from 20 to the first one of shit, man.
Niggas already know, man.
My man Child right here spit them hot shit right there, my nigga.
I feel you, my
Anybody
nigga.
in the street, they talking tough and shit, they can beat him, come see me and see him. You lose, beat your ass. You win, I'll beat your ass.
This is crazy. Niggas is crazy. Niggas eating wild, shrimp and chips in the head. Like, niggas is looking finger good. Like, niggas is fried.
Shit, bitches be saying that on my dick, they like finger licking good too.
That niggas is crazy. Where you at, Tweet? Niggas is crazy.
I'm about to bring out the Ruger right now. Shit. When nigga fuck pop in the trunk, nigga pop them keys in there, it's over.